Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's fun video we are once again on location. This time we are not very far from home, only a couple miles from home. We are actually at BMOC Outlets in Burlington, North Carolina, and we are at the store called Hollo's Bargains for You. And this is one of those stores that I'm just going to have to take you inside to show you what it is all about. Keep in mind I'm here during regular business hours, so I'm going to respect the patrons as they are in here shopping, and I'm going to keep my voice low, so when we transition to the indoor part we might have to turn the volume up on your speakers and everything. But I know a lot of teachers shop here, a lot of artists shop here, and also a lot of cooks shop here, and you'll see what I mean when we go in. Here we have a good selection of ribbon. You can see it's very good priced. Some superhero ribbon, some Christmas style ribbon. This would be good if you make a lot of like custom ornaments on the scroll saw or the laser. Let's see what the prices is here. Rolls with rubber bands, 10 yards, $3.99. But then the rest of the rolls are of a cheaper price. 79 cents a roll, and a good variety to choose from. I've gotten a lot of my poster board from here, and I'm probably going to get another $1's worth here, so that would be 3 sheets before I leave. 30 cents each, and now at most places they're $1 or $2 a piece. These are great for laser cutting stencils out of, and for various craft purposes. And then over here, these are $1.25 each. I wonder if the laser would laser cut through this material here. Huh. Got me curious. And if you are a teacher, they have all the supplies you need to decorate your classroom. The boards with all the educational information, stuff to hang around your classroom or studio or whatever. You see they have a great selection here. From Disney to Dr. Seuss to Merry Christmas to, they got meteorology, they've got Mother Goose, World Families, famous composers. Just great stuff to decorate a classroom with. And over here they have various packs of paper. Now this is thinner than computer paper, but it would be great. Well, this is of a nice consistency. Would be a great backer board for some ornaments. Roll the something down here. Lots of great stuff for crafts. And as you can see back here, they've got rolls you can buy. I know my mom bought a roll of this paper here. It's blank newspaper paper. $6.70 a roll. That's US currency. But my mom got a roll of this, and I took it to the chop saw and I cut it into 3 equal parts, to where she could use it to paint her ceramics on. She can just rip off what she needs and discard it as she uses it. And here they have various envelopes, very small ones here. It's 6 cents each. More small envelopes. They got shipping envelopes, the security envelopes, and only 5 cents each. Got labels here. Tags, 2 cents each, with the labels right here. And I've always been curious if this material here would laser. Got that nice reflective look to it, and it's nice and sturdy. So I always get a lot of ideas when I come into Hollo's. And speaking of decorating, they have a bunch of stuff for seasonal parties. Here they have stuff for like a luau, a tiki party, the hula skirt, the scenes, the palm trees, jointed cutout of a hula dancer. So nice tropical summer design here. Here we have something for a winter party. Then we have something for St. Patrick's Day. That'll be here before you know it. For me, St. Patrick's Day has always been like the anticipation of spring holiday. And then Valentine's Day as well. And then they have all sorts of stuff here. Go back up the other side of this aisle. Well worth a visit. Speaking of the themed stuff, they have something that's right up my alley here. Bonnie, Blade, and Calico Jack props. So a take on Calico Jack Rackham and the famous Anne Bonny. And they have little pirate hats, noise makers, banners, plates, and napkins. Really, really cool. And then over here, more teachers stuff. You can buy rulers in bulk. These little, says measuring frogs. Got dice here. More odds and ends. I remember using these in school. Little blocks you can build up, kind of like Legos. You have the cups for your science experiments and everything. Some of the school paper where you learn to write on. Some protractors, be good for dialing tools in. More measuring implements.
Did it come out even? Maybe the angel died.
Over here they've got painted paper. This kind of like origami paper, but good for scrapbooking. The paper is 40 cents a piece for single-sided pages and 45 cents for double-sided pages. And over here we have some nice stickers, but down here we have the vinyl for pre-cuts. You can also laser cut this material for vinyl decals over on your laser, but it's not good to use it on the laser, but they got a nice selection of colors. I think it's either 3 or 4 foot in each roll, and it's 2 foot in each roll by 12 inches, and it's $2 a roll. More of the paper here for scrapbooking. Really cool Eiffel Tower, Mayan Pyramid, tropical beach sunrise or sunset. Nice selection of stamps, very cheaply priced. Packs of pencils, rubber bands, erasers, crayons, paintbrushes, spray glue. Use this when using the 3D printers. You can go on your printer bed to hold the prints in place. Then you have the, if you've had a good day or a bad day, stickers for classroom settings. And then over here they have post-it notes. They've got push pins, paper clips. If you run a small business, they've got the check pieces here to check out people. They've got price tags. They've got the rolls of paper for the adding machines. My grandmother used to have one of them. Important messages. So a little bit of everything here. Now I have picked these up when cleaning up the yard, like with leaves and all. 33-inch by 66-inch heavyweight bag. So you can see how big that bag is. Each one is 55 cents each, or you can get a whole roll of 100 of them for $50. Great sturdy bags to clean up with and put stuff in. They have hand soap here, glass cleaner, the bottles to hold everything in, the abrasive pads here for scrubbing. Nice to keep the grill nice and clean. Hotel soaps. Nice fragrance to it. Gloves. More stuff. You have some napkins for like a paper towel dispenser. And more cleaning supplies here, as well as the napkin holders themselves, cleaning supplies, and restaurant supplies. Now, if you have a cook in the family, here is where you can come to get all of your display boxes for your cakes and pies and everything. You can see they sell the containers of various sizes and dimensions. They sell the nice decorative poster boards to set the cakes and cupcakes on. Several different styles. 80 cents a piece, so not bad at all. Some smaller ones here. And then back here, if you like to bake, they have the stuff to decorate your cupcakes with. You know, you can stick little decor pieces in them. You've got mermaid tails, basketballs, soccer balls, footballs, Batman, Spider-Man, Iron Man, Woodstock, It's a Boy, It's a Girl, a nice size football. Got SpongeBob here. So really great for bakers and cooks as well here. And here they have the boxes that everything goes in as well. So there you have display box. Here's another one at $1 each. Here's one for 60 cents, excuse me, kind of like you'd put a calzone in. So really, really cool. You can get packs of straws here. Again, a really cool place if you cook a lot. And speaking of cooking, you can get the packs to put French fries in, $2.99 a sleeve. You can get the classic French fry holders. You can get gift bags here, 40 cents a piece. Popcorn bags. Or popcorn boxes. And you can even get the popcorn mix itself. And they also sell the snow cone mixes. And they all have paper bags as well. Here we have more display stuff for cooking. They have the Chinese noodle boxes, a pitcher to hold like your beverage in. They've got the shakers for sale, different size ones. They've got the thing to put like the ticket on after you pay for your meal, a bell. They've got the serving utensils. Whole lot of stuff here. I don't know if this is just wooden dowel rods. Glass jars at $1 a piece. And the store just goes on and on. And if you just need some cups, you can get a sleeve of cups. You can get takeout trays. These are microwavable. Get the containers. So I feel like if you are in the area, this would be a really cool place to stop at and get ideas and pick up supplies. Alright, that was fun, and it gave me a lot of ideas, and hopefully you guys enjoyed watching the video from the intro until now and learned something new about Hollo's bargains for you. I always try to shop local. I did pick up some of those scrapbook pages to try some laser ideas with. Maybe I can laser cut something and then put that scrapbook image as the background to show kind of a nice image. I also got some more of the poster board for laser cut stencils. So again, it's a great place to come to and get ideas, and also, as I said, shop local. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If I can find a website associated with Hollo's, I'll, of course, like I always do with this style of video, leave the links down in the description box below. But that's going to about wrap it up for this one. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you'll click that subscribe button and also follow me across all my social media feeds under the Artisan Pirate name. As always, links to contact me as well as all my social media feeds will always be linked down in the description box below these videos. That's about all for this one, and remember guys, if I can make it or do it or go to it, so can you guys. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.